Following FAFSA delays, a local organization is looking to ease the application process for college students. I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter. Youth to Leaders Education Foundation is extending their FAFSA submission clinics and training workshops to help students pay for their education.
There has been a delay with the financial aid application last year, which means there was a lower percentage of applications and submissions throughout this past year.
Currently, Y2LEF says approximately 76% of Kern County residents have a high school diploma or higher, and 18% of residents have a bachelor's degree or higher. Through the clinics and trainings, Adame says Y2LEF hopes to increase those numbers.
So we have actual submission clinics where students can actually submit their FAFSA application, or we have the trainings. So again, we're able to bring in counselors, teachers, community members to train them on how to fill out a FAFSA application to then help more students at their site.
During the Cash for College workshops, Y2LEF Program Coordinator Fellow Eric Plata Torres says students are guided through FAFSA or the California DREAM Act application submission process. Upcoming clinics will take place at Nueva Continuation High School on Monday, August 26th from 2 to 3:30 p.m. and at Arvin High School on Wednesday, August 28th from 5:30 to 7 p.m.
The FAFSA is mainly for students that are U.S. citizens and permanent residents, while the CADA is for students that are undocumented students, AB 540, or dreamers.
To facilitate the process of the application, Plata Torres recommends students bring their social security number or ITIN number and their family's tax returns from the past 2 years.
Our main goal, our mission here at Y2L is to help as many low-income, underrepresented, underserved students gain the access and knowledge for higher education.
Youth to Leaders Education Foundation will be hosting submission clinics and trainings through the month of September. For the complete list of schools participating, visit our website, turnto23.com. For 23 ABC News, I'm Priscilla Lara, your neighborhood reporter.